Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well today. Today I have a fun question for you. Have you ever tried sharing candies or chocolates with your friend? And sometimes you can share them equally, and some other times one candy is left, one chocolate is left. Do you know why? It's because of even and odd numbers. Let's learn about them today. Now numbers can be divided into two types. One is even and the other is odd. What are even numbers? Even numbers are numbers that can be divided into two equal groups. Even numbers can be divided into two equal groups. Whereas odd numbers cannot be divided. Into two equal groups. There will always be one left out in odd numbers. For example, if I have 4 apples and I have to give equally half to one of my friend, I have to share the apples with my friend. Equal apples, equal number of apples. And I'm going to divide them into groups of 2. So they can be easily divided into groups of 2. But if I have 5 apples and I want to share them with my friend, they will be divided into groups of 2, but one will be left out. So I can say that 5 is not even. 4 is even, but 5 is not even because it cannot be divided into groups of 2. So 5 is odd and 4 is even. Now there is a very simple trick to learn so you can differentiate between even and odd numbers. Even numbers end with the last digit in even numbers is always 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So even numbers always end up with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Whereas odd numbers, in odd numbers the last digit is always either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. So odd numbers end up with वालेकुम अस्सलाम बहुत शुक्रिया वैसे So odd numbers always end up with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Let's do some examples. If I have a number 128, look at the last digit over here. It's 8. And if you remember the list of the digits for even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this number is even. Look at another example. If we have 341, The last digit, the digit at the ones place is 1. Now if you look at the list of the digits which come in odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 341 will be odd. Let's do another example. 674. The last digit here is 4, which is even. So 674 will also be even. 847. The last digit over here is 7. So it is going to be odd. So let's sum up what we have learned today. The even numbers, first of all, the even numbers can be divided into two groups. Second thing, they end up with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Whereas odd numbers, they cannot be divided into two groups. Secondly, they always end up with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So next time, if you count your toys or your chocolates or your pencils, try to check if the number is even or odd. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.